All right, Google just dropped NanoBanana Pro, and this thing is kind of insane. It's a next-gen image model built on Gemini 3 Pro that can do native 4K, laser-accurate text, crazy prompt following, and even keeps multiple characters consistent across complex scenes. But here's a real question. Can it actually beat Seedream 4.0, the 4K model that has been dominating my workflow for months? So today, I'm putting NanoBanana Pro head-to-head against Seedream 4.0 for the one thing that actually matters: AI-generated UGC ads at scale. And here's the twist. Whichever model wins becomes a new engine inside my one-click automated UGC system, powered by Make plus Airtable plus VEO 3.1. Now let me show you exactly what's new and why NanoBanana Pro is such a massive upgrade. The character consistency is on another level. The text accuracy is finally reliable, and it can now generate native 2K images with the option to upscale all the way to full 4K. Plus, this part actually blew my mind. You can feed it up to 6 reference images, sometimes even more, and it merges all of them into one cohesive, hyper-accurate output. That level of multi-image reasoning is just insane. Let me give you a super quick walkthrough of how this whole automation works before we jump into test number 1. This AI automation can generate a full UGC video in under 5 minutes for pennies on the dollar. So let me show you how the system works. It all starts in Airtable, where we input a few simple variables: the title, your UGC idea, your reference image URL, how many scenes you want, the language your character will speak, the aspect ratio, and most importantly, the AI image model you want to use. For this example, we're selecting NanoBanana Pro because later I'll show you how powerful it is at generating one cohesive UGC-style photo using multiple reference images. Now for this test, I went into Canva and created a single image that contains more than 6 reference images: the model, the perfume, the outfit, the dog, the bathroom setting, accessories, everything. I uploaded that into IMGBB, which gives me a link I can use inside the automation. Then in the description, I simply tell the system, I want the character to be the woman in the photo, she should be in her luxurious bathroom, she should speak in an American English accent, and she should promote the AI social hub Perfume. You can either write the full script or just give it an idea, and it will generate the dialogue for you. For video generation, we're using Google VEO 3.1. Each clip is 8 seconds long, so if you pick 4 scenes, your final video will be around 30 seconds. In this workflow, we are actually using VEO 3.1 for free via Vertex AI inside Google Cloud. Now let's look at how the automation actually runs. It pulls everything you entered in Airtable, sends the image to the OpenAI image analyzer, which returns a detailed breakdown. That description goes into the image prompt agent, which creates the final prompt. The automation checks which image model you selected, NanoBanana Pro in this example, and routes the prompt into the correct branch. NanoBanana Pro then generates the combined image using both your text prompt and your reference images. Another OpenAI module generates the video prompts for each scene, including the dialogue. Everything, the NanoBanana image, the prompt, and the scene dialogue, gets saved back into Airtable. And this is the image NanoBanana Pro produced. You can see she's in the luxurious bathroom, holding the product, wearing the outfit, with the dog, all exactly from the references. From here, we send that image straight to Google VEO 3.1. And the best part is you don't even need to manually edit the clips. We use File.ai to automatically merge all the VEO clips together using the Merge Videos LLM. Okay, let's jump into the 5 tests I ran comparing NanoBanana Pro to Seedream 4.0, specifically for UGC creation. I ran dozens of images, pushed both models to their limits, and these 5 examples show you exactly where NanoBanana Pro pulls ahead. Test 1. Multi-image combination, 6 plus reference images. For the first test, I gave both models more than 6 reference images. The model, the perfume, the outfit, the dog, the bathroom setting, accessories, everything. The goal was to see which model could combine all of these into one cohesive UGC-style photo. NanoBanana Pro successfully combined almost all references. The model is holding the AI Social Hub Perfume. Text isn't perfect, but it's still readable. Bathroom background matches blazer, earrings, watch, dog, all included. Only one missing item, the lip gloss. Even though the official limit is 6 images, NanoBanana handled more than 6 with no errors. Seedream 4.0. Failed every time. Returned errors. Couldn't process the multi-image setup. Winner, NanoBanana Pro. Test 2. 4-image combination. Model plus setting plus products. Next, I reduced the references to 4 items. The model, the living room setting, and the essential oil plus diffuser. NanoBanana Pro blended everything seamlessly. Skin texture looks natural and realistic. Has human-like imperfections, not overly smooth or plastic. Lighting matches the scene. Seedream 4.0. Failed when using 4 references. Winner, NanoBanana Pro. Test 3. Text accuracy. Product label, AminoWise. For this one, I tested label accuracy, one of the most important things for UGC ads. NanoBanana Pro got the AminoWise name almost perfect. Young Living logo is correctly replicated. Clothing details match. Even at 2K resolution, the output is sharper than Seedream's 4K. Small text is slightly soft, but still readable. Seedream 4.0. Finally worked with 3 images. Output is noticeably blurrier, still lacking in realism. Misspelled AminoWise. Young Living logo is missing. Text is extremely blurry. Skin texture is less detailed. Even at 4K, the image is lower quality than NanoBanana's 2K. Winner, NanoBanana Pro. Test 4. Website promo image, Albert Einstein example. Here, I used a promotional reference image that included Albert Einstein and several lines of text. NanoBanana Pro generates Einstein with realistic skin texture. Text is mostly accurate, AI-powered, systemized, etc. Only minor areas are unclear. Overall, very close to the reference. Seedream 4.0. Einstein looks younger and less accurate. Missing large chunks of text. Bottom text didn't generate at all. Less realistic overall. Winner, NanoBanana Pro. Test 5. Background integration, 16 to 9 scene. This test checks how well each model blends a character into a real location. NanoBanana Pro. Character looks like she's actually inside the store. Lighting matches the environment. Even generated the instruction 50% off perfectly. Added December 26th, 2025 exactly from the prompt. Looks like a real UGC photo. Seedream 4.0. Character looks copy and pasted. Lighting doesn't match. Shadows don't blend. Feels artificial and composited. Winner, NanoBanana Pro. Let's see the VEO 3.1 results. All of the VEO 3.1 video clips in this video use the reference images generated by NanoBanana Pro.
Ever wondered what confidence smells like? Meet AI Social Hub, the scent of success that turns heads wherever you go. Hey everyone, want your home to feel like a warm holiday retreat? Check out this gorgeous diffuser and my new favorite Christmas spirit oil. Ever feel wiped out after your workout like you just can't keep up? That is why I use Young Living's AminoWise and Wolf.
AI Social Hub is your done-with-you AI automation system, and it's perfect for creators, business owners, and agencies that save hours daily. Ready to work smarter, not harder? Tap the link below, join AI Social Hub today.
Okay, let me show you the updated automation. If you're a member of AI Social Hub, you'll get access to this exact scenario inside the training portal. The main difference between this version and the one from the previous tutorial is simple. I added 2 extra branches, which means you can now choose which image model you want to generate your reference image with. You can select from NanoBanana Pro NanoBanana version 1, Seedream 4.0, Everything else in the automation works exactly the same as before. The nodes haven't changed. The only updates are inside the request content for each branch, because each model has slightly different parameters. For example, NanoBanana version 1 uses the NanoBanana edit endpoint. NanoBanana Pro uses a slightly different request body. Seedream 4.0 keeps the same structure from the last tutorial. Those small differences in the request body are the only things you need to modify. How to add the 3 image model branches in make.com. Okay, let me show you how to set up the new branch system inside Make. This is the part of the automation that lets you choose which image generator you want to use. NanoBanana Pro, NanoBanana V1, Seedream 4.0. If you're a member of AI Social Hub Pro or AI Social Hub Self-Lead, this updated automation is already inside your training portal, and you can simply import the blueprint to your Make account. But I'll show you exactly how to build it from scratch if you prefer. Step 1. Add a router. After Image Prompt Agent. Right after your Image Prompt Agent module, click the line after it. Add a router. This will allow Make to split into 3 different image generation branches. Step 2. Copy and paste the first image generation flow. Next, we need to duplicate the original flow so we can create all 3 versions. Select the entire sequence starting from Make a Request all the way to Update Idea in Airtable. If you're on Mac, hold Shift, then drag. Right-click, copy. Right-click again, paste. Do this twice so you end up with 3 identical branches. Then connect each branch to your router. Step 3. Add filters to each branch. Each branch needs a filter so Make knows which image model to run. Before adding the filters, make sure to disconnect your webhook, then reconnect it. This refreshes the available fields. Step 4. Add the image model column in Airtable. Inside your Create Scene table, add a new column. Name it Image Model. Make it a single select. Add these choices: NanoBanana, NanoBanana Pro, Seedream. Then, add this image model field in your Create Scenes button formula. Then click Save. If you're an AI Social Hub Pro or Self-Led member, this updated Airtable template is already available. Just duplicate it using the link in your training portal. Step 5. Trigger the webhook once. Back in Make, run the webhook module only. Then go to Airtable and click the Create Scenes Run button in your Airtable. This step is important. It sends the updated fields, including image model, to Make so you can use them inside filters. Step 6. Configure each branch filter. Now, click the filter on each branch. You should now see image model coming from the webhook. For each branch, set the operator to equal and set the value to the exact model name from Airtable. Copy and paste it directly to avoid errors. Example: NanoBanana Pro branch, image model equal NanoBanana Pro. NanoBanana V1 branch, image model equal NanoBanana. Seedream 4.0 branch, image model equal Seedream 4. Make sure the text is identical, no extra spaces, correct capitalization. Step 7. Update the request body for each model. You only need to update the request content section. You can screenshot them and paste the screenshot into ChatGPT to get the code typed out for you. Then, paste it directly into the HTTP Make Request Content field node. These are the only changes needed. Everything else in the automation works exactly the same. Step 8. Optional. Follow the node-by-node breakdown. If you need help with the full setup, every single node is explained in the previous tutorial. I'll link that video below in the description. And that's it. You now have 3 working image creation branches inside Make: NanoBanana Pro, NanoBanana V1, Seedream 4.0. And you can choose the model directly from Airtable for each UGC idea you create.